Yo. Hopefully you guys have had amazing weeks so far. Ready to start another day, another new day, another day. Same plan, same discipline, everything the same, just a different day, right? So let me set up everything and then let us crack on then. Alright, so trading view on. Where's my camera? Cool. Everything up's running, I believe. Yep. That's cool. So without further ado, let me just run in and do my analysis. I'm pretty sure that everything is up and running. So start with our monthly analysis like we always do. 23 days left in the month, still opening of the monthly candle. I'm assuming that you should be able to come up and fill the wick on the monthly candle here. In the 23 days. After you fill the monthly candle, it will decide what it's going to do once it tap into this level of resistance right here. I'm assuming that if you decide to break the high, then you could decide to break the high. Looking at monthly May candle right here, you have no bottom wick and you just decide to come out and fill the rest of the wick, right? Look at April, May and March as well, you have no bottom wick, so there's a possibility that you can come down and print a bottom wick. However, I'm assuming that overall you should be able to come up and fill the wick here. Alexa, stop. Oops, that's my alarm, my apology. I'm assuming that you should be able to come up and fill the wick here. Overall, still opening of the June candle here. But be open-minded that there's still a chance that you could still come down and create a bottom wick. I could create something like this, for all I know. Something like this. Come down, create a bottom wick, or even down here. Could be something like that, for all I know. Or it could do exactly the same what April and May did. Come out for the wick and then start reject, and leave a full wick for you to continue to rip up and fill that wick right there. So overall, in terms of monthly, that's what we got right now. 23 days left. Assuming that you're gonna go up and fill the wick. So in terms of weekly, like see yesterday I was saying that you have the support resistance right here. You close back inside a range. If this is a fake out on the weekly, then I'm assuming you should be able to push down towards that 2300, and that also be the bottom wick of the monthly before you do decide to drive up. And if this is a fake out, I'm imagining you continue to push further down, break this support here before you come up. Do come up, but overall that is your support on a weekly. And if this is a fake out confirmed, then you should be able to tap into 2300 and potentially push it down even lower, because that is a bottom wick on the monthly. If the monthly do decide to print a bottom wick, so that is the weekly, right? The previous weekly print bearish candle, and you so far into the week now, 2 days left. You print a top wick, but I don't know if this is actually a top wick just yet, or if it's a top wick on the re-break of the low on a wick, I imagine you should just continue to come down. So let's me drop that onto the daily. Daily is actually interesting here. You have no bottom wick of it that I can see right now. The fact that you push back below the range, it means that once the daily actually flip here, you should be able to come down and follow the range. Overall on a daily range right here, you should have to a set 2300, which is where the weekly range is that I was saying. So you see how it's coming in together. So right now, what we want to determine is that whether this is a top wick on the daily, and when the daily flip, you should be able to come down and follow the rest of the range on the daily. Now that you close back inside this range right here. So let's me drop down onto the 4 hours. 4 hours, no top wick opening. So like off the rip, that's what I see. I'm assuming this is so you have like a small support resistance right here and one here as well. So with that being said, let me just mock it up. Then you close back inside this range right here, which is cool. Let's me drop down to the 1 hour. 1 hour close bearish here, very nice. You know what I'm going to do here, chat? I'm going to have my sell stop on the re-break of the low of the 1 hour here. I'm assuming that on the re-break of the low on the 1 hour here, you should be able to drive down and follow the rest of the wick here. Now that you close back inside this range, I can see on the left here. Let me see. Let me drop down the 5 minutes. That's us just got in the trade, by the way. It's fine though, because I'm expecting this 30 minutes candle to just come down, and the 1 hour candle to literally come down and follow the wick here. So let me see, where is the daily flip? Daily actually flip all the way down here. Cool. Like in terms of support, you don't have anything until you come down towards like these levels right here onto the left. I'm assuming you should be able to drive down there. That's a 30 minutes candle. Tap. By the way, I'll show you guys my MT4 real quick, so you guys can see what I am in the trade. level right here. Yep. Tap. Every time it does it, I tap exactly there. Like overall, with the 1 hour close back inside the range here, I'm assuming that you should be able to drive down. Like the fact that the daily has no bottom wick so far into the day, you came up for a top wick. Like the 15 close very in 30 seconds here. I'm assuming you should be able to push down towards this level right here. So that will be your break even level, right? And the break-even level is very, very close to where the daily flip is. And once the daily flip, I imagine should be able to come down and re-break though, and then all that good stuff, like come down and follow the rest of the range here. Like today, you have so much range going down. The 4 hour has no top wick, which is interesting. My stop loss will be on the 4 hour candle high, okay? Because I'm assuming that if you flip up there, then there's no reason for you to hold up. Because if you do decide to come up there and re-break the high, then I'll imagine that just 4 hours, just flip and drive. So that is how I would look to manage risk. So 15 year close there, come up for a top wick, nice. Yeah, my entry is actually on the 4 hours and the 1 hour. And off the daily, no bottom wick as well. Was it a flip 14 pips? I'm assuming once you push down towards this level, towards like the daily flip here, you should be able to continue to re-break the low and then come down and follow this range and this range. Just very much based off the daily. Like, there's no reason for you to do all of this coming up. Close respecting this level right here. Let me delete everything real quick. Like, there is a level of support right here, right? And there is also a level right here if you look closely. There is no reason for you to close above the range again and then push back inside the range again to not at least follow the wick. So this is a range you and on the daily. I'm assuming that you should be able to literally create a bottom wick first, but so far that you not got a bottom wick, you come down, you come up for a top wick. So I'm assuming you should be able to come down and follow the wick here, and especially look, I'm looking left. Like every time you drive down, you close back inside the range, goes back inside the range. Like this one, come drive down. So could this be the same move? You know what I'm saying? You see a correlation right here. Could this be the exact same move? Could you tap into exact same area? After you tap into exact same area, you start push down, and look at the weekly as well. The weekly is also like that is also a confirmation on the weekly that is a fake out clearly. So that is why I took the trade I took. Like you should be able to come down and break the low on the 1 hour here. And once you come down and break the low on a 1 hour, that should be break even. Our break even level. Like sure there is like a minor support like along the way, but it's not very. It's not anything to measure. So that's a 15 flip there. 7 minutes for the 30 minutes candle closure. Yeah, you tap into here, you come all the way down there, like exact same shit. Like you cannot make this shit up, man. That there is a massive level right here. Like if I'm imagining, like if you were to drive up there, you would literally close respecting this level, but however you close back below, you close back below, and now you have this level to fill here, that exact level to fill, and the fact that you have no bottom wick overall, you should be able to come down and fill the rest of the wick, which is 23, 26. .30 candle closure in 5 minutes here. Very nice, because if the 30 candle closing like this back inside the range, that's a confirmation of this 1 hour fake out, and this is a 1 hour fake out. I'm assuming that you should be able to extend your push towards the hourly low. So yeah, that's a 5 minutes candle opening up. Four minutes for the 30 minutes candle closure here. What you could do though, or what I would do now on a 30 minutes candle closure here, is that one is open on the 30 minutes candle closure. After it create a top wick and re-break the low, that is your break even level. Because we look to, I'm not even showing you my TP. My TP is all the way down, like the daily, like minimum. That I'm talking about, like all the way towards like the daily wick fill here, but that's what I'm assuming. But we will manage the rest the same way that we always been doing. So once the 30 minutes candle closure, the 15 candle closure, you wait for the 30 minutes candle to open up with a top wick. When it open up with a top wick, that's where we gotta start trimming start to put our stop loss into break even. But you know what we can do though is that we can move our stop loss into this 30 minutes candle high. Okay. So that's a re-break of the low on the 30 minutes and the 15 here. One minute for 15 and 30 minutes candle closure here. You should be able to fill this range right here, like overall, which is a 1 hour wick fill. Once you do that, yeah, we start to put stop loss into a break even and all that good stuff. Because there is a flip on the daily here. 23, 27. We're very close at the flip on the daily here, by the way. The 4 hours, no top wick at all. I'm assuming that this is the same bloody move that you're making. No top wick coming up here, tap towards these level, and then what do you do? Come all the way down here again. Like you got minimum towards like the at least the 4 hour candle low here, because on that 4 hour candle low, I'm assuming that is your daily low, and once you the daily flip, it should be a rebreak of the low, and it should just drive. Now I saw that the 30 minutes candle doesn't close no bottom wick though. Oh, it did. You know what I'm gonna do here? One is literally a flip on the 30 minutes here and re-break the low. I will put my stop loss onto that 30 minutes candle high. That's how I would manage it. One is there you go. So now I'll go put that stop loss into that 1 hour 30 minutes candle high, because I'm assuming that if you re-break the low, then that is your level right there. Okay, so stop loss hit. 30 minutes candle, no bottom wick, so it's very rough for me to be staying in the trade there. I thought it's gonna be a runner, but what did we grab there? 16 pips, not bad, right? I think we peaked like 20 pips. We peaked 22 pips. But the fact that this 30 minutes candle no bottom wick is not ideal for me to stay in the trade. But yeah, man, good shit. That is all I got for now, my friend. Now, if it continues to drive down, it continues to drive down. Like, it's not my business. But let me see. Yeah, you got a level right here. Alright, good shit. Trade today. 1 win. That takes us to 47. Very nice. Very, very nice. You see how the 30 minutes no bottom wick there? And it just literally start pushing up. That is, you'd never want to like forget about your risk management and all that stuff, because that's what you've been doing and that's what you've been consistent with. Always come back to your root. Like, make sure you Like if it's even if it decides to drive down, I would not care. Where did I yeah, 16 pips, not bad. Not bad, my friend, not bad. Yeah, you know how I was saying, no bottom wick now, just pushing up. The main thing is now is the 15. If we can close this back in this level right here, and then I bet the next 15 candle close respecting bearish, then yeah, sure, you could look for the next candle to continue to wrap down towards our daily flip. But for now, the current 15 is a little bit rough. Alright guys, not sure whether I should leave or hang about for a bit, but in terms of London session, I don't think I'm looking for anything now. I'll wait for the next 2 15 minutes candle closure though, minimum, because like this 15 no top no bottom wick, right? As long as you close respecting this level, and then the next 15 close bearish below the range again, then yeah, sure, that's going to be your entry. But that is at least 2 15 minutes candle, and I don't think I'm looking for anything currently until that prints. So what time did I take that trade up? 8:10. Pretty sure I take on the rebreak of the low of the 5 here. this five closed below here, which is pretty nice. We'll re-break the low of the 5 and the 1 hour. Just drive here on the 1 hour. What was my calculation again? $16, yeah, that's right. What was the drawdown on that one? Mine's 12. Where? No wick on the footer. Alright, cool. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm hunting right now. Just chilling. 15 calls respecting. Very good. Now I need a top wick. When you create a top wick, and then you call respecting on the next 15. That'll be the 1 hour candle coming down as well. Here. Yeah, if this 15 goes back inside range, like guys, it's a day for me. It's a session for me. Interesting. The 1 hour statue rejecting here. Are we gonna flip in the last 10 minutes to 1 hour? The 5 minutes to bottom wick. Cool. not gonna lie, bro. Like in 8 minutes here, if the 15 doesn't close bearish, respecting this level, I'm gonna call it a day, bro. But we could take the wick fill coming down. But that's about it. That's about 8. That's probably the only play you could look for. But don't really have volume right now. Yeah, if the 15 end up closing above the range here, bro, we call it a day, man. I'll call it a day, man. I'll call it a day. Right, 5 minutes. Man. 3 minutes here. Let's see how the 1 hour candle close. Man, it's rough, man. It's rough, man. Can't really say I do much about it. Interesting. And the 1 hour candle closed. I'm looking left for you to dip down back towards here. That you could possibly even tap into this level again, 23.42, for all I know. But guys, I think it's gonna be a day for me. I don't think I'll be hunting anymore. Because first of all, London session is kinda finishing out now. You don't really have much volume. You've been moving back and forth within this area right here. So I'm assuming and you're gonna go back up here again. Follow work on that 5 minutes. Create a top wick on 1 hour. FTMO might just start flipping here. I would have thought it was want to come down and would break these high and then come back in, but if it decides to come down, then flip. If it decides to flip, we flip. Alright, gonna call it a day. Very good stream. Good day, stuck to your plan. I call it a good day because we stuck to our plan. We did what we always been doing. We did the same stuff. We show up day in, day out and do the exact same things that we have always been practicing. Is that read price action and sample size and have a plan before you go in and stick into the plan, all that good stuff, right? And yeah man, pat yourself in the back, and I hope you guys enjoy today's stream, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Alright, and if you guys continue to trade, you guys still trading, make sure you trade with make sure you manage your risk, make sure you trade everything accordingly. And make sure you follow your plan, alright? If you, make sure you have stop loss and everything. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, have a good rest of the day. And you have news later on, so that can't guarantee a trade, but I will guarantee a lot of volume, because what photo we have today, we have PMI 3 o'clock, we have non-farm employment change. Yeah, it's not bad. 2 red photos, and then first day you have unemployment claims, not bad, and then NFP Friday. Nice. Alright, so catch you guys then next time. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day, guys.